Early voting began this week in Georgia amid a political earthquake with its epicenter at the U.S. Supreme Court. Good evening, I'm Russ Spencer. News of a draft opinion that would overturn Roe v. Wade threatens not only a woman's right to choose abortion in Georgia and states across the country, it has deepened the political divide and raised the stakes for Republicans and Democrats in the primaries and beyond. Protesters marched through downtown Atlanta to the state capitol this week, alarmed at the prospect of the high court undoing 50 years of legalized abortion. Republican David Perdue had the opposite reaction.
Since 1973, we've been waiting for this to happen. A lot of us have been praying about it. My wife, thank you.
If Roe goes away, it would clear a path for Georgia's 6-week abortion ban, the so-called heartbeat bill, to take effect. But Perdue told a crowd in East Georgia he'd go farther.
When that comes down, if I were governor, when that ruling comes down, I would call the General Assembly back in and ask them to eliminate all abortion in the state of Georgia.
Governor Kemp, speaking on the radio with Martha Zoller, said it's a tragedy that someone leaked the draft.
But that doesn't change the fact that Georgia, by one vote, I might add, because of our hard work and really pushing and working with the General Assembly, passed the heartbeat bill, and we stood up to the cancel culture in Hollywood, and we continue to fight that in the court of law.
Stacey Abrams, the presumed Democratic nominee for governor, released a statement saying, "As a woman, I'm enraged by the continued assault on our right to control our bodies and our futures. As an American, I'm appalled by the Supreme Court breach and its implications. As the next governor of Georgia, I will defend the right to an abortion and fight for reproductive justice." In a debate Tuesday night, 4 of the 5 Republicans who want to be the next U.S. Senator from Georgia said they favor an abortion ban without exceptions.
I believe the Word of God is clear that He knit me together in my mother's womb. I think many of you believe that too. There's a contrast there with a pro-choice pastor, which I do not understand that terminology and don't believe it squares with the Word of God. So absolutely pro-life, begins at conception, period.
Senator Raphael Warnock has referred to himself as a pro-choice pastor and said this week that he will always fight to protect a woman's right to choose.